Okay friends, now it's turn to the second one. They also want to be free in the sky. Let's just see what they are going to do. Okay Tushki, I think you should now open the cage. Okay, I'll do it. Let's see what they react. I'm gonna open them. Yes, they are more active actually. Yes, it's out. Yeah, he just take off. He's also going outside. He's also going in the planters. Yeah, I don't know why they doesn't want to fly. Okay, come up. He's coming out. He's trying to coming out actually. And see this one. Oh no, struggling with the plant. See, I'm gonna see both. I'm trying to show you both of them. And see, this one is also doesn't want to come out of the cage. Yes, it's come out and just going to fly. Yes, it was really a good thing and I'm feeling better. You also guys feeling better. I know that they are not in the, they are not made for in the cages actually.
WWE हो रहा है?
Yes. इनको छोड़ दिया. They are sitting together in the plants and don't know why doesn't they want to fly. We don't know that. Okay, let's leave them for some time. Till then, bye bye.